Here's how to switch your Instagram business account back to a personal one. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right. Tap down until you find Creator Tools and Controls and tap that. Now tap down a bit and you should see Switch Account Type. Tap that. And here it is. Tap Switch to Personal Account. Switch to Personal Account. When you switch to a personal account, you will lose access to in-app insights and insights from all of your content, including your promotions. You'll also lose access to Meta Business tools such as Meta Business Suite and Ads Manager. If you use shared access, anyone with access to your account will be removed. You'll no longer be able to give others access to your account. And if you're okay with that, tap Switch to Personal Account. And there you go. It may take a few seconds, up to a minute, but it happens pretty quickly. And that's how you switch back to a personal account. If you found this video useful, I'd be grateful if you could like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.